kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, we have studied chapter 7 basic geometry. Today we will do notebook work of this chapter. So look here. First of all, you will write chapter 7. Now name of the chapter basic geometry. Now draw red margin as shown here. Now there are two types of shapes. Children, we have studied that there are two types of shapes, plane shapes and solid shapes. So what are plane shapes? Look here, plane shapes, and second one is solid shapes. First we will study about plane shapes. Plane shapes, a shape that is flat and has no thickness. The shape which has no thickness and which is flat, these shapes are called plane shapes. Okay. Now plane shapes have only one face. Children, shapes those are plane, they have only one face. Now we will see solid shapes. A shape that is not flat and has thickness. Children, plane shapes are flat, but solid shapes is not flat and they have thickness. Plane shapes are flat in shape, they have no thickness, but solid shapes have thickness. Okay. Now number B is solid shapes have more than one side, one face. Solid shapes has more than one face. Now we will see how we will draw plane shapes and how we will draw solid shapes. Now look here, question number 1, draw and define the plane shapes. Children, now A, rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Children, as you can see here, this rectangle has 4 sides, sides from which we make the shape, the lines which we are using to make the shape. These lines are called sides. Okay. So how many sides you can see here? Here 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 4 corners it has. How many corners it has? It has 4 corners. Corners are where 2 lines meet to each other. These lines are meeting on this point, so this point is corner. So we can say rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Its opposite sides are equal. Children, rectangle has 4 sides, its opposite sides are equal. The side, this is opposite of this side, so these two sides will be equal. This side is opposite of this side, so these two sides will be equal. Now we will see second one, square. B, square. The spelling of square S-Q-U-A-R is square. Now a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Like rectangle, children, square also has 4 sides and 4 corners. But children, its all sides are equal. Square has all sides equal. Okay. This is side, these are sides 1, 2, 3, 4 and these are 4 corners. And you can see here all lines and all sides are equal of a square. Now next one we will see triangle. The spelling of triangle is T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Now a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. As you can see here, a triangle has 3 sides, 1 side, 2 sides and 3 sides. And these 3 sides are meeting on these 3 points. So these 3 points are corners. Okay, so we can say that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Now next shape we will see circle. This is circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. It is round. As you can see here, circle has no sides and no corners. It is round in shape. Okay. Now we will see how we will draw all these shapes in our notebook. Now children, we will see how we will draw all these shapes. So first of all we will draw rectangle. Okay. The spelling of rectangle is R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. As I told you children, rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay. Now opposite sides of rectangles are equal. Okay. This is opposite of this, so these two sides will be equal to each other. This one is opposite of this, so these two sides will be equal in size. Okay. Now we will see how we will draw a square. Now children, we will see square. The spelling of square is S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Children, as you know, square has 4 sides and 4 corners like rectangle, but in a square all sides will be equal. Okay. As you can see here in this picture, all sides, this side, this and this, all these sides are equal of each other. Now how many corners it has? It has 4 corners. These two sides are meeting here. So this is one corner, second corner, third, and this is fourth corner. So we can say that square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Now we will see next triangle. The spelling of triangle is T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay. Triangle can be like this also. Okay. How many sides it has? It has 3 sides and 3 corners, as you can see here in this picture. Now children, next shape is circle. This is a circle. What is the spelling of circle? The spelling of circle is C-I-R-C-L-E. As you can see here, a circle has no sides and no corners. It is round in shape. Okay children, now we will see solid shapes. Now children, we will see question number 2. Draw the solid shapes. These are solid shapes. First one is cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Children, cube has at 8 corners, 6 faces and 12 edges. Okay. Now this one is cuboid. Cuboid also has 8 corners, 6 faces and 12 edges. Now children, this is a picture of cone. This is cone shape. How many corners you can see here? Corner 1. It has 2 faces, 1 flat face and 1 curved face. Now how many edges it has? It has only 1 edge. Now number 4 is cylinder. Children, this is cylindrical shape. It has no corners. Faces, it has 3 faces, 2 flat and 1 curved face. Now how many edges it has? It has 2 edges. Okay. Now children, we will learn how to draw all these shapes. Now children, we will draw first of all cube shape. Okay. So what is the spelling of cube? C-U-B-E. Now here we will draw cuboid. So you will be able to see the difference between both of them. Okay. Cuboid. For cube, we will draw 2 squares. Okay. One square is this. We will draw another square. How many sides of square here? Here 4 sides. Now when we will draw one more square here, it also has 4 sides. Now 4 and 4 means 8 sides now it has. Now children, what we will do? We will join these corners to each other. Okay. This is cube shape. Okay. Now we will see how we will draw cuboid. For cuboid, we will draw 2 rectangles. One rectangle is this and the another one is this. Okay. Now 4 sides it has and 4 it has. Now these 4 and 4 sides are 8 sides. Okay. Now we will join these corners. So how many corners here? It has 8 corners. Okay. Now children, we will see cone shape. Okay. So what is the spelling of cone? C-O-N-E. This is cone. For drawing cone, first we have to make a triangle. This is triangle. Now we will do circle like this inside it. This is conical shape. Children, as you wear birthday cap on your birthday, this is in shape of conical. Okay. Now we will see cylindrical shape. This is cylinder shape. Okay. What is the spelling of cylinder? C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Okay, now children, I hope you have understood how you will draw these shapes. Now children, we will study about lines. First of all, we will see type of lines. First you will write lines, types of lines. First we will see straight line. A straight line can be 3 types. First, horizontal line. Horizontal line means sleeping line, okay, like this. Now second one is vertical line. Vertical line means standing line like this, okay. Now third is slanting line. Slanting line should be like this. Now second type of the line is curved line. Curved line like this, okay. Now children, we will do fill ups of this chapter. This is question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A square has 4 equal sides. A dash has 4 equal sides. Which shape has 4 equal sides? A square has 4 equal sides. So we will write here square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Now number B is a triangle has dash corners. How many corners triangle has? Triangle has 3 corners. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now C, 2 opposite sides of a dash are equal. Which shape has 2 opposite sides equal? Rectangle. So what is the spelling of rectangle? R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Now next one is a cube has dash flat faces. Children, I told you cube has 6 flat faces. Now next one is E, a sphere has dash curved face. Children, a sphere has 1 curved face, okay. Now F is a cone has dash curved and dash flat faces. Children, as you know, a cone has two faces, one is curved and one is flat. Children, I hope you have understood this work very well. Now do this work in very good handwriting in your notebook. Thank you.